we have studied regarding p-type and n-type. Now we will study about p-n junction. Also we have studied, right? P-n junction, barrier potential, and everything. So now coming to forward biased and reverse biased. Forward biased means when you connect a p-n junction with p-type connected to higher potential, not a positive. This mistake previously initially I used to do. Higher potential, it's not positive and this is negative, like that they will show na? In diagram. This may not be true. If this is 10 volts, this is 5 volts, this is also forward biased. This is minus 5 volts, this is minus 10 volts, this is also forward biased. Got it? Higher potential connected to p-type, lower potential connected to n-type. This is called as forward biased. What will happen in forward biased is, whatever the barrier potential is, the barrier width is there, the depletion layer width will decrease, because this positive potential will push the holes away. This negative lower potential will push the electrons away. So slowly this width of the barrier will decrease. Width of the depletion layer width will decrease. Then what will happen? So if this potential, what is this difference in potential in the battery is higher than this barrier potential, then the flow of charge, flow of electricity will pass through this p-n junction. Got it? These are the 2 points. Then the current will be in milliamperes. You can see the graph of it here in forward bias. This is the barrier potential here, knee voltage here. 0.7 it is given. You see there in your diagram in the page number 221. This is called as knee voltage. Knee voltage means, in a sense, that voltage which is slowly, if you increase the voltage to such a level which is higher than the barrier potential. For silicon, you have to use a potential which is higher than 0.7 volts. Then the current starts growing here. Got it? Then here the current will be in milliamperes, because forward bias easily conducts the current. Then these are the main points. Then reverse bias, what will happen? Reverse bias. Reverse bias, what will happen? For p-n junction, P will be connected to p-type, will be connected to lower potential, n-type will be connected into higher potential. Then what will happen? This lower potential will attract the holes here, which are having more holes. This higher potential will attract the electrons here. So this depletion layer will actually increase. So when it increases, it is not easy for it to cross. It is not easy for the holes to cross and make electrons to cross and come to your holes. So the current will not go here. But if you increase this voltage in such a way, this barrier potential only breaks. That bonds only break. At that time, you will see current getting flowed. That is why you will see this kind of current here. Till here, there is no current. You will see that initial जो current है वो भी drift का वजह से कुछ होता है ना थोड़ा बहुत initial जो concentration difference का वजह से वही है चीज. But once it breaks, that barrier potential breaks, the current will grow like exponentially. Got it? This is given in the form of microamperes, because in reverse bias, generally you don't see current getting flown easily. Okay. For ideal case, you consider reverse biased, no current will flow. For forward biased, current will flow. You will see examples of that in your book. Okay. Is there any doubt here?
No.
Next, coming to can you read this statement here? The current under reverse bias is essentially 220 page and last 3 lines.
And under the reverse bias is essentially voltage independent up to critical reverse bias voltage, breakdown voltage, known as breakdown voltage. When V is equal to V breakdown, the diode reverse current increases sharply.
This
Even
one.
a slight increase in bias voltage can cause large change in current. This phenomena is known as breakdown.
This is one point. But initially, there's some little bit current right here, little bit when this voltage is getting increased. You see that point, this just before 2 points are there, 2 lines are there. Before this line, 3 lines, there's another 2 lines. Only
minority carriers are affected. Means the flow is principally due to minority charge carriers and is very small.
But what happens here, you see, here negative charge is negative, high, lower potential is there. It will pull the holes closer and it will push the electrons, and push in the sense electrons, it will throw the electrons away, right? That's why minority charge carriers will go. Electrons from here to here, they will go. Here, it will push the again holes here. Again, holes will go from here to here. That means they are minority charge carriers, right? Both in P type and N type. That's why in reverse bias, initial जो भी current है, whatever the current, light current is.
मतलब drift कैसा होगा? Drift कैसा होगा?
Drift मतलब here this is low potential. Low potential means it will push the electrons away. Right. So it will push the electrons away means these electrons which are minority carriers right here in P type. In P type they are not majority carriers. They minority carriers. They will be just jumping here. And their holes also here, this higher potential will push the holes there. Holes will be going from here to here. These are minority carriers. But whereas in forward bias, majority carriers will be going. In forward bias, what will you do? Here you will connect a high potential. This is low potential. High potential will push the electrons or push the electrons away. Here low potential will push the electrons away. That means holes are majority carriers and electrons are majority carriers in both the ways. So in forward bias, they are current is due to majority carriers. Got it? And this is current is in milliamperes. Whereas reverse bias, this is due to minority carriers.
Forward bias में normal current भी majority carriers में.
Majority carriers. देखो ये केस में देखो, यहाँ अगर पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल रखा है तो ये होल्स को पुश करेगा मतलब I cannot use the word push, but actually holes travel opposite. That means from high potential to low potential. So that means these holes will jump from here to here. These electrons, this negative charge, lower potential will push the electrons. That means electrons will jump from here to here. That means these are majority charge carriers here. These are majority charge carriers here. The current is due to majority charge carriers in forward bias, and the current is due to minority carriers in reverse bias. And there it becomes more easy also. Barrier potential will decrease further there in the forward bias. Okay. Now coming to Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Zener breakdown, we will use it in Zener diode, which is a very wonderful device. Where questions have been asked also. In Zener, can you read those points here between Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown? Why these both phenomena will happen?
दोनों रिवर्स बायस में होते हैं अगेंस्ट हाई वोल्टेज. Zener ब्रेकडाउन में डिप्लीशन लेयर के कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक होते हैं.
Okay.
ड्यू टू एक्सट्रीमली हाई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड.
हाँ
V is equal to ED है ना.
हाँ
V is
हाँ
equal to ED.
ED when this E
डिप्लीशन
is
लेयर
increasing
कम
so
होता है.
much. हाँ
डिप्लीशन लेयर कम हुआ तो वोल्टेज बहुत ज्यादा होगा.
okay
तो इसीलिए वो कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक हो जाते हैं.
break हो जाता है. Okay then.
और की वजह से फिर करंट आता है
But
बहुत
here
ज्यादा.
क्या avalanche में
एवलांच ब्रेकडाउन में वो भी रिवर्स बायस के अंडर पर डिप्लीशन लेयर बहुत बड़ा होता है.
हाँ
उसकी वजह से जब माइनॉरिटी कैरियर्स फ्लो होते हैं तो उनको बहुत ज्यादा वेलोसिटी आती है ज्यादा डिस्टेंस की वजह से.
so इधर काइनेटिक एनर्जी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और यहाँ होल का हाई काइनेटिक एनर्जी का वजह से जो बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक होके करंट कंडक्ट होता है ना. इधर हाई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का वजह से इधर वो बैरियर का ब्रेकेज दिखता है आपको. ठीक है दोनों पॉइंट्स का. तो इट इज हाई डोपिंग हियर.
हाई डोपिंग है सर इधर बताओ.
In Zener breakdown, because of high doping only that the potential difference will be high ED and then the breakage will happen.
एवलांच में लो डोपिंग होता है क्या?
High doping. Yeah, thin
Avalanche-
depletion. No, avalanche नहीं.
Avalanche-
Zener.
एवलांच में लो डोपिंग.
Low doping. उधर ब्रेक करने वाला कौन है? वो कैरियर है इलेक्ट्रॉन, द माइनॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर. Low doping and thick depletion link. Got it? और मॉडरेट डोपिंग भी कर सकते हैं इधर. ठीक है और रिपीटेटिव कोलिजन्स का वजह से उधर माइनॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर्स बन जाते हैं उधर. ठीक है here it's due to mostly collision of minority charge carriers, and here it is due to high electric field. The barrier potential will break down, the depletion will break down. Here it is used in Zener diode stabilizer. This is a quite interesting application, and then number of times questions have been asked. Here this is due to repetitive collisions. Okay, shall I go ahead? Now so you see here for ideal diode what will happen. 222 page. Ideal diode what you should treat is in forward bias. You have to take it in a resistance is equal to 0. This I have told you, right? 2.7, 0.7. It is mentioned means you will take that 0.7 in the opposite direction. Otherwise, you will take the 2.7 by resistance. You have to close it. Ideal diode resistance is 0. Forward bias. Number of questions have been asked on this. For reverse bias, it will act as infinite is equal to R is equal to infinite. No current will pass.
फॉरवर्ड बायस में
करंट इजीली फ्लो हो जाते हैं उधर. मतलब आपको क्या करोगे ऐसे एग्जाम में देगा क्वेश्चन सबको.
बैरियर पोटेंशियल से ज्यादा पोटेंशियल
लगाया तो ही जाएगा, बट आइडियल डायोड के लिए वो 0 मान लेते हैं बैरियर पोटेंशियल. प्रॉब्लम्स में कैलकुलेशंस नहीं करते हैं. डायरेक्टली फॉरवर्ड में करंट जाता है, रिवर्स में करंट नहीं जाता.
रिवर्स बायस में इनफिनिट रेजिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करता है.
रिवर्स बायस में इनफिनिट रेजिस्टेंस मतलब उसमें करंट जाएगा ही नहीं. ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत पूछा प्रीवियस ईयर्स में. यू कैन सॉल्व देम, अदरवाइज वी विल सॉल्व टुडे ओनली. ओके, बट एक्चुअल में क्या होता है रियलिटी में, रियल केस में फॉरवर्ड बायस में बैरियर पोटेंशियल से ज्यादा पोटेंशियल आप कनेक्ट करना है. दैट इज 0.7 फॉर सिलिकॉन जो भी है. तो अगर ये 0.7 से बड़ा है तो ही करंट जाएगा इसमें. इसलिए आप इधर ऐसे दिखाते हो 0.7 के बाद ही करंट बढ़ता है. इधर मिली एम्पियर्स में दिखाते हो. बट रिवर्स बायस में क्या करते हो आप, इनिशियली कुछ नहीं होता है, बट ब्रेक डाउन के बाद करंट बढ़ती जाती है. इस माइक्रो एम्पियर्स में दिखाते हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है. नाउ so you can solve this problem. There is a illustration 6 in your book. And symbol देखो डायोड का.
Forward bias.
See, if this is connected to high potential and this is connected to low potential, then it is forward. If the same diode is connected to P-type connected to low potential and N-type connected to high potential, this is reverse bias. That's it. Diode symbol is this only.
What the answer?
कर दिया आपने? Half wave rectifier. Just whatever the things you learned here now, the same thing, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Okay. Half wave rectifier, what will happen? It's a funny thing here. Why I'm telling this is, this diagram you can see from your book. When you supply alternating current here, you know the direction of alternating current changes, right? Alternating current. The alternating current is like this, right?
Sinusoidal.
Standard formula, sine form we can write. This is positive side, this is negative side. Direction changes. Magnitude will vary like this. Like that here also, this can become plus and this can become minus, and the same thing after half cycle it will become minus cycle and this will become plus, right? But it becomes plus and minus. Here plus is connected to P-type and minus is connected to N-type, right? At that time, the cycle will come. That means output will come. Got it? That means suppose input is this one. For that positive cycle, the output will come. Okay. For next cycle, what will happen? And this becomes minus, this will become plus.
Hello. क्या करे तू? समिता एक्टर वाले फोन हाँ.
This you get now. This okay. This half cycle will come, but another half cycle, what will happen? Because this is minus, this is plus after half cycle, right? This one direction has reversed. The current direction is reversed right here. At that time, this minus is connected to P-type and plus is connected to N-type. That means reverse bias. Reverse bias, the current will not flow right in this diode. That means this half cycle will not be shown. This is disappeared. Again, this half will come. Again, this half will appear. Again, this will happen. This half cycles are removed, right, for us, filtered. This is called as half wave rectifier. Got it? Got it? Then full wave rectifier means nothing. Here you will connect another diode here. There you will have a resistor in between. When this becomes what is this? When this becomes opposite, that means plus and minus. When this is connected to forward bias, this will become reverse bias. When this is connected to reverse bias, this will become forward bias. Got it? When that kind of two cycles exist, what is this current? With both the cases, current will go from this side A to C only. That because one way current will pass through like this, and other half cycle the current will pass through like this. Okay. So direction of the current remains same in both the cases. A to C only it will travel. Okay. So at that time, full wave rectifier means what will happen? So the output will be like this. Okay, both are going in the same direction. Both outputs will come. One is not aligned, other one is aligned. When the other one is not aligned, this one will align. Okay. Bridge rectifier also we can use this by using this technique. Two become forward biased and two will become negative reverse biased.
पर एडवांटेज मतलब एडवांटेज क्या है इसके?
किसका?
सेम ही है वो तो, फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर जैसा.
हाँ, फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर जैसे ही है, सेम है, बट
और
इसका
फिर-
भी यूज कर सकते हो.
हाँ?
पर हम सिलेबस में स्पेशली दिया नहीं गया, तो इसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस, ठीक है. बट हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर के लिए 40% है एफिशिएंसी, 40.6%, and for full wave rectifier it will be 81.2. Okay, shall we go ahead? But for half wave rectifier, frequency remains same for cycles. If it is 50 hertz for the input, output also 50 hertz only. But for full wave rectifier, two waves will come here, right? But this is one wave, this one wave. In single wave, here you have two parts coming out, two repetitions coming out. Here repeating unit is this one, right? Repeating unit for half period only will get, you have a repeating unit. Time period become half means frequency will become double, right?
Double.
100 hertz. Okay. So these are the things you need to know.
कैपेसिटर
केयरफुली देखो, हमने जीना डायोड का क्या देखा, वो रिवर्स बायस्ड में होता है, वो करंट कितना भी बढ़ने दो पोटेंशियल इधर रिमेन होता है जीनर ब्रेकडाउन, है ना? नहीं, नाउ आप केयरफुली ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करिए, यहाँ फ्लक्चुएटिंग इनपुट है, मतलब इधर RS है, तो इधर R लोड रेजिस्टेंस है, इधर जो भी करंट आएगा, ठीक है, इधर जो भी करंट आएगा, दो तरीके से स्प्लिट होते हैं, वन इज जीनर करंट एंड अदर इज, इधर करंट आई आ रहा है, ऐसे सोचो, आई विल बी स्प्लिटिंग इनटू टू, राइट? वन इज जीनर करंट एंड अदर इज दिस वन आई इन दिस लोड करंट. इसमें करंट जाएगा, यहाँ का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना है, IL into RL, राइट? एंड दूसरा बात आपको पता है, IL इज क्या है, I minus IZ, राइट? नाउ इन केस अगर आपका I बहुत बढ़ गया, क्या बढ़ेगा, I बढ़ गया, बट IL वही रहेगा, IL into RL वही रहेगा, बट IZ भी बढ़ेगा, IZ बढ़ेगा, बट यहाँ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बदलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि इधर जीनार ब्रेकडाउन के समय करंट कितना भी बढ़ने दो पोटेंशियल वही है ना,
तो वोल्टेज रेगुलेट,
इधर IL RL कितना होता है वही रेगुलेट, वही चीज इधर भी होता है, बट IZ बढ़ता है. ज्यादा करंट आ रहा है, इधर नहीं जाएगा, लोड में नहीं जाएगा, वो करंट जीनर में चला जाएगा.
रिवर्स बायस में ऑपरेट करना होता है.
रिवर्स, देखो रिवर्स बायस है ना, ये करंट इधर आ रहा है, ये पॉजिटिव साइकिल, ये नेगेटिव साइकिल है, ये पॉजिटिव है, P टाइप N टाइप, उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में करंट जा रहा है ना, N to P. You got it? Here कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस जेनर डायोड, अब बोलना है जेनर करंट से नहीं करोगे, ये करंट जो भी है लोड करंट इनटू लोड रेजिस्टेंस. गॉट इट? गॉट इट? Did you get this? लोड करंट इनटू लोड रेजिस्टेंस. इसके ऊपर बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स दिया गया, अगर आपके बुक में है इमीडिएटली तो आप सॉल्व एग्जाम में देने का लायक है सारे क्वेश्चंस.